just installed Cami, which seems to be a great app for annotating and marking our PDF documents. So let me just show you exactly what Cami is and how it integrates with Google Classroom. So as of now, it has given me the updated version because of the school closure. So with the basic, maybe some of the features may not be available, but right now it's very well integrated with Google Classroom. So let me showcase how I can mark my assignments using Cami. So here is my Google Classroom and I have a PDF document which a child had uploaded in return to the assignment. So when I open that assignment, as in the Google Classroom, it opens in this nest, and on the right side, because I have installed Cami extension, I get a little check bar mark here whether you want to grade it with Cami. So if I uncheck that, then I won't be able to use Cami. So of course you have to select this so that you can get all the tools that come with Cami. So once I say yes, I want to grade with Cami, I get a little toolbar opening here which has all these features of select dictionary, text to speech. So these are, of course, some of these options are not available in the basic plan. So I have to see how far I can stretch this, but this definitely seems very exciting because I can do the checking. That means if I wish to put those tick marks, I can do that now. So I'm going to just maybe choose the stroke thickness to be 4, and as usual, let's pick up our red color, and now I start reading what the child has written, and whatever I feel like I want to mark it, I can put the tick marks. I can also add a certain comment. So if I like what the child has written here, then I can put a small comment and say well done, and this can easily go in. So instead of just selecting the content as we've been doing by highlighting the text, I can put a little marker there, and that is possibly there. I can also look at putting a certain shape. So I can take various shapes. Usually we have a circle or an ellipse, and I can definitely do that, and I can change the thickness of this, etc. But since this is very well done, I do not need to encircle to say what's wrong with it, but I might want to just highlight what the child has done. I can also use a certain comment box. I have already talked text box. We can also have a text box inserted where you can actually type in and say, well, I might choose a different color and say that's the right way to write it down, the expression. So I can put in a certain comment right there. So let's say that's the right representation or presentation, and I can put it exactly in the document. That is what I like about it. I can, of course, change the font size. I can write it in a different way. So I have all of these options here. I can choose the various font and the font size. Scrolling down further, let's try what else I can do with it. So of course drawing will give me that. I can also choose the markup will only highlight if there is a text. So this is not a Google Doc, it would not allow me, but I can have a box highlighter. So I can definitely choose this entire portion. I can highlight, and I can leave a comment for the child if I wish to. So that is great. It seems to have a lot of possibilities, and I can also end up with a signature. That's what I actually like about it. So I have the signature, I also have my image, and I can insert that. So that is what I love to do with my students. So I like to leave a bitmoji, which I definitely am enjoying. So let's explore it more and see how we can make our corrections easy and meaningful when we work with Cami. in Google Classroom. And of course, do not forget that you always have the choice of putting a private comment in Google Classroom, which reaches the students directly. So do go ahead, try it out. There's a text to speech feature which I have yet to explore. I will try that in the maybe the next video. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you're going to go and install Cami as a Chrome extension. Create an account for yourself first, and then go ahead and add it in and try it out.